Hey everyone, Technoman here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off, power off, or shut down your iPhone 15 Pro Max in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now the simple and the easiest way, it's going to be using your volume up and the side button at the same time. All you're going to do is press and hold simultaneously or at the same time about a few seconds, and this menu will pop up where you can simply slide this and it will go ahead and power it off. Now if you can't do that or if that's not working for you, another way you can do it is by going into your setting on your iPhone and then going to general. If you scroll a little bit down all the way to the bottom, it says shutdown, and that will bring up a similar menu where you can again simply slide to power off. Now if that doesn't work for you, if you want another method, if you're on the latest iOS 18 update or newer, you can pull out the control menu. Right up top here is a power button right here. If you press and hold, it will bring up the same exact menu that can slide to power off. And another way, of course, if you have Siri turned on, you can actually get Siri to turn off or power down your iPhone. So simply activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or pressing and holding this to ensure that Siri can listen to you. So say, "Hey Siri, power off my iPhone." And it will ask you to just confirm, say yes, or you can simply tap on it and it'll go ahead and power off your phone just like that. So there are different ways to go ahead and power it off completely. And you might be wondering, how do I power it back on or turn it back on? All you're going to do is just press and hold this time this big side button until you see the Apple logo up here. So as you can see here, I'm pressing and holding. It takes about a few seconds for the Apple logo to appear. Now if that doesn't work for you, what you can do is connect it to a power source like you would be charging it, and if it's already turned off, it'll automatically go ahead and turn it back on. Again, those are all different ways to go ahead and turn off or power off and power cycle your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Methods are all safe, will not delete any of your data, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.